Okay, I'm going to give a quick explanation on how to give feedback and make revision suggestions in Google Docs. So I'm just using the same document that I had in a previous video. Once you get my email that says so-and-so has shared this document, open it up and it'll look like this. I'm not quite sure where it's going to be in an iPad, so apologies, you might have to hunt around for that, but you're looking for something like this. This says it's in editing mode, and if you click the arrow, I want you to be in suggesting mode. I truly want you to be in suggesting mode, not editing, not viewing, okay? Suggesting mode allows you to make some edits and suggestions, and then the author of the essay can reject or accept them. A lot of you have experienced this already from me. So in this case, you could say, like, I'm going to add a comment here by pressing the little comment button, or you can do it up here. You could say, wrong title and comment or something like that. You could also erase things, and it shows what you deleted and maybe what you added. Exam. There we go. You can also, as the author of the document, reply to these. If you're like, I don't really understand this, can you clarify? You can make a response here, and then you'll get an email that somebody responded to your comment. Here's a really quick way. If you see that they have fixed something and you're like, oh, I like that better, you can just accept it and it will automatically change it in the document, or you can reject it and it will go back to your original. But this is nice, so you don't have to go back and continue to make the changes. You could just be like, yep, sounds good, I like exam. I happen to like test, so I'm going to do that. And to make the comments go away, you can just click resolve. So I don't want to see that there are any edits still on your paper when you turn it in. So all the comments and feedback that you get on the side here, you need to resolve it, accept it, or reject it by the time the 20th rolls around. Okay, a couple important things to note. I do have the peer revision sheet already on Shobi, but I really, really, really want to make sure that you've read this through at least twice, okay? It's got some guidelines for what to look for, but then it also has some like etiquette guidelines. So make sure you look at this. It's really important. And please note that every revision that you make, like every time you are reading a peer's essay, it should probably take at least 10 minutes if you're giving quality feedback.